Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete, which in PavementSoft is to make something inactive so it no longer shows up. For the most part, there is not a way to actually delete items in PavementSoft unless the one thing you can do is actually delete a job by coming here and deleting. But for pretty much everything else inside of PavementSoft, you would be making that item inactive. And once you do that, we can click this and click save. And I go back to, for bid 195, back to my bid list here. 195 is no longer here. But if we decide we do want that active again, we can come here and click show inactive items. And I can see we have a few other things here, but I can see with the red line here, or the red text, excuse me, that this item is inactive. And if I want it to be active again, I can just click active and click save, and that item will be active again. That works for everything inside of PavementSoft, categories, proposal items, um, etc. So if I want to make a proposal item inactive, I can go into that proposal item by clicking the number, and we will click active, and now it will be inactive as soon as I click save. So for ADA compliant truncated dome mats, I no longer have that item there. But if I want it back, I can see here ADA compliant truncated dome mats. I can come back in here, click active, and click save, and that item will be back. Again, this works for everything inside of PavementSoft. So we can see with plants, it works the same. We'll come down here, click active, so that the toggle switch is gray, and we will know that it is inactive. Click save, and that item will no longer show up on our um, asphalt plant list. Excuse me. So if you want to make anything inactive, that is the way to do it. Again, we don't have a way to delete items, as a lot of people have deleted things and it was an accident. So this is how we work around that. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to me at support@pavementsoft.com. Thanks so much.